My name is Pamela Norton. I'm the founder and CEO of Borsetta, and we are a nanotechnology company connecting real-world assets to a digital title on the blockchain. I'm saying hello from Stanford University this evening. I'm excited to be participating in a class that I think is leading the country right now. Roger's heading up a class on blockchain, cryptocurrency, tokenization. And it's an area I've been passionate about for the last 2 years as I launched a company specifically to address the issue I uncovered in my last startup, which was counterfeit and fraud in the luxury goods market. And what's been interesting with the questions from the students tonight and the engagement is that this is a radical time. We're living in a radical and a disruptive time. And it's also a great opportunity. And so just seeing how curious the students are, how important it is to just start getting educated. And what happens, I think, today is that everybody just hears the news about a hacking and crypto craziness and ICOs and people being scammed. And I think you just need to really dig a little deeper and look at companies like Borsetta. We're trying to address a problem that is out of control today. We have rampant counterfeit that's all over Amazon and eBay as we know it. We have no trust, we have no transparency and security. And so we're securitizing real world assets to give back that control, not only to consumers, but to businesses who have IP that is being stolen. It's a way for us to ensure that the information that's being documented and tracked in the supply chain with our unique nano trackers gives you ultimately the ability to feel trust when you purchase a product and know that your purchase is really making an impact, whether it's a small business or a designer or a major corporation that is should be paid for their IP, right? Their intellectual assets, and inventors should be paid royalties for their invention. So we are excited to be here this evening and excited to help educate this country. I've been traveling a lot, speaking all over the world, and I believe America is still asleep. I'm concerned. We have the brightest minds all around the world that are solving a problem, and we have got to get our game on. So I just encourage you to read, get educated, and support companies like Borsetta who need the ability to flourish in a market that right now is uncertain and regulation is on the fence. And we know that businesses do not move forward in an uncertain market. So we need to get to Washington and get the people that work for us to understand how important this is and how we need to make some significant advances in creating a proactive environment for businesses like Borsetta to flourish. Thank you.